Okay, this is going to be the second flight. Not a lot of repairs were done after the first crash. We just glued the nose back on there. A little worried that the tail's sagging, but we'll figure it out. It felt like she was tugging down a little bit. That's probably just my anchor hand on the bottom. Think about adding a little up sub trim just because that tail is sagging. I like that more. Okay, we're trying to go show them the steeple. This is a historical building. I don't know what it's called, but we're going to try to fly around the steeple. Here we go. Jeez. I'm going to steer it. Woo! Woo! Well, I'm not really sure what went wrong there. Probably just bad piloting. It didn't have the up elevation, climbing ability that I wanted. And I don't know what to tell you. Thanks for watching.